Morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, children, can you tell me which all chapters we have revised? Which all chapters we have revised here in the class? Tell me.
Fraction part 1 and 2.
Fraction 1, fraction
1
2.
and 2.
That is chapter 8, chapter 9. Then
Then
measurements. Then decimals. Okay. Okay.
Fraction 1,
Okay.
fraction 2.
Varos.
Decimal measurement.
Okay. We have to do. Yes,
Yes,
Varos, your revision book is very nice. Okay. I can see that. So, children, money we have to revise, but with that we will do on Monday. But which all chapters we have revised, I will give you one written test. So, what you have to do now? Write first all the questions. Right? I will give you 6 questions. You will write all the questions. Then start writing the answers. Then we can discuss the answers and you can check how much mark you got. Okay? Ready? Show me your rough book. Let me see how many are ready with your revision rough book. Yes, Henry, very good. Yes, children. So let's start. So children, what you have to do? Keep your rough book. Write faster the question. Yes, Adidev. You have to write the question faster. Then only we can do more questions and then only we can discuss the answers and check where you got mistakes and all. So what you have to do? Write faster first all the questions. Okay, children. Ready? Revision test. First, we will do chapter 8 and 9. Revision test of chapter 8 and 9. Chapter 8 and 9. Okay, so children, question number 1. See, write faster and then only I can change the board. Otherwise, you will say, ma'am, I cannot see this question. I cannot see the. So, what do you have to do? Write faster. Write 2 equivalent fractions. 4. Write 2 equivalent fractions. Question number A, 2 by 6. For 2 by 6, you have to find out 2 equivalent fractions. Question number B, it is 1 by 7. So children, for question number A, 1 mark. Question number B, 1 mark. So total 2 marks for this question. 2 by 6 and 1 by 7. Question number 2. This I am writing here mark, okay, marks.
Ma'am, what you are writing in the board is coming late.
Maybe because of the network, okay. Lag in the net. Can you see now question number 1, Adidev?
I only can see the number.
Which number?
Ma'am, I can see the
Only can see it again.
number. Now I only see the word right. Ma'am, I can see.
Maybe because of the network. Here it's okay. Yes, what about others? Can you see question number 1, children?
Ma'am, what did you do? Yes.
Okay. So question number 2. Identify.
Ma'am, question number 1, what we need to do?
Find out, write 2 equivalent fractions. It is clearly written on the board. Write 2 equivalent fractions. Identify the like fractions. Second question.
Now I can see the first question.
So children, all the children, please mute your audio and write down the questions faster. First, I will give you 6 questions. After writing 6 questions, you can start writing the answers. Identify the like fractions. So I will give you. Identify the like fraction. Now question number 3. These children, for identify like fractions, you will get 2 marks. 2 marks. Question number 3. Convert 8 and 1/3 into improper fraction.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the second question, how much mark?
What's that? I cannot hear.
Second question, how much mark?
2 marks. This is 2 mark. And here it is 1 mark for...
Ma'am, only write the like fractions or write the other type.
No need. Identify only the like fractions. So convert...
Only write the answer.
Ma'am,
Can I only write the answer by writing all? Should I write all of the numbers?
First write down the questions, then write down the answers later.
Okay, ma'am.
So here 8 and 1/3 into improper. Here it is 18/5. 18/5 into mixed fraction. Abrid, are you writing the questions? Abrid? What about Amil? Are you writing the questions? Okay. Children, I have to write question number 5 and 6. Can I write it on the side or can I change the board?
I'm finished. Ma'am, write it on the side.
Side, okay.
Ma'am, third was not finished. Ma'am, my question right finish.
Question number 5. Add the like fractions. Add question number 6. Subtract. See, question number 1 and 2, 2 marks each. All other question 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark. Subtract. Now, please complete 6 questions, then start writing the answers also faster. So this 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total mark is out of 8.
Ma'am, write my finish. Now we can write the answer.
Yes, yes. Write the questions fast. Sanahin, show me where you are writing these questions. Show me. I can see some children are writing faster and doing the answers, but some are looking here and there, looking back. Turn on your camera, all of you. Show me your book, Sanahin. Fast. Those who are doing revisions regularly and doing practice will get good marks. Those who are coming late, not attending the class, not writing anything, I don't know how they will write the exam. Everybody finish writing? Questions? Yes or no?
No.
Then write fast. Sanahin, show me your rough book. Write the question faster. Okay. Good boy. If you finish, then only we can discuss the answers. Then after that, we have to do little more questions. And Maria, Maya, Varada, Amiel, all of you turn on the camera. Laya, Anubama, Sinan, Viraj. Show me your book, Viraj.
Finish, ma'am. Completed.
Completed. Okay. Children, do it fast. 2 more minutes.
No,
Henry, finish writing?
ma'am, finish.
Anvia, can you tell me how we can find out equivalent fractions? How we can find out equivalent fractions? Yes, Diya. Can you tell me how we can find out equivalent fractions? Not clear. Are you speaking? Yes, Arfan, can you tell me how we can find out the equivalent fractions?
2 into 3.
By multiply or divide. By multiply or divide. So children, you can write by multiply, the answers will be different. You can check your answers. If we are multiply with 2 or 3 or 4, 5, whatever you want. If you want to divide, that also possible. So here we can do now with multiply with 2. So 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. So that is one answer. Now again, if I multiply with 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So that is another answer. So children, if your answers are correct, you can give 1 mark. So children, if you are multiply with the 4, 5, 10, the answers will be different. So if your answer is correct, you can give marks. So 7 into, yes, Henry, multiply with the 7 into 2 and tell me the answer. 1 by 7 into 2. 1 into 2. Yes, Henry.
2, ma'am.
No, Shivadyan. I'm asking Henry. Multiply with the 2. 1 by 7 and tell me the answer. 1 into 2. Unmute and speak. 1 into 2.
2.
2. 7 twos are. 7 into 2.
14.
14.
14.
Okay, again multiply with the 3 and 3. You can, I told you clearly, you can multiply with any number, but don't multiply with 1. If you multiply with 1, you will get the same question itself. No change. So 2 by 6 will be 2 by 6 itself. So either you have to multiply with the 2, 3, 4, by any number. So here 1 into 3 is 3, 7 3s are 21. So if you, question number A and B is correct, you can give 2 marks. Check your answers and give 2 marks for that. Okay. Eva Rose, question number 2. Identify the like fractions. Can you tell me which all fractions are here, like fractions?
9 into 2.
Huh?
Wait.
Say louder. Huh? Say louder. I cannot hear what you are speaking. Yes, Gavirinanda. Tell me which fractions are like fractions. Gavirinanda PS. I say the answer of question number 2. Can you unmute? Okay, children, tell me the answer. Some children, if they don't know the answer, if they don't unmute or if they are not writing, I cannot help. Yes, what's the answer?
7 by 19, 9 by 90.
7 by 19,
9
by 19.
by 90.
So children, what is like fraction? The denominators are same. Look at the denominators. Which all denominators
by
are
13.
same? 7 by 19, 9 by 19. If you have circled, okay. If you have circled 2 answers, you can give 2 marks. 2 marks for question number 1. And if you have written only 1 answer, only 1 mark. If you have written 2, if you have circled 2 answers, you can give 2 marks. Okay. Next one. Yes, Adina, the question number 3. Tell me the answer. 8 and 1 by 3 into improper.
Ma'am,
Question number 3. Convert.
Convert 8 and 1 by 3 into improper.
Okay, tell me the answer.
8 into 3.
8 into 3.
24.
24
Plus 1. 25.
8 3s are 24 plus 1. 25 by 3.
25.
Even if you got this answer, you can give 1 mark. 25,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am, I got
So
it.
give 1 mark for that. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. So what do you have to do? 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 3. Okay, Shivadyan, can you tell me the answer of question number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
18 by 5.
5 divided by 80.
18 divided by 5. Tell me the mixed fraction.
3 by 5.
3 and 3 by 5. Very good. See, when you do 18 divided by 5, 3. 3 into 5 is 15. Then the remainder is 3. That we will write as the numerator. So 3 and 3 by 5. So 5, the same denominator. 3 and 3 by 5.
Ma'am, sixth one I don't write it.
Write fast.
Sixth ones, ma'am, that rubber.
That now only I rub now.
Ma'am, I full correct.
Wait. We discuss. We have not finished. So if your answer 3 and 3 by 5 is correct, children, you can tick. So what was the question? Do you remember 19 by 26 minus? Can you tell me the question, children?
Ma'am, my answer is corrected. 3 and 3 by 5. See?
Okay, 1 minute. Can you tell me, those who have written question number 6, can you tell me the question? Subtract.
Subtract 19 by 26. 15 by 26. 15 by
Okay.
26.
So children, what is 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2, we have to 11 by 13 is the answer. Check your answers. So children, to add like fractions, what we have to do? We have to add only their numerators. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 by 13. Okay. Subtract these like fractions. 19 minus 5.
4 by 26.
4 by 26. So that also children, 1 mark. 1 mark. So the total is out of 8. Calculate your marks.
8. 8 by 8. Then I got full mark. Full mark.
Okay, let me see. All of you, show me your book. And let me see. How many children got full mark? 8 out of 8. Barada? Yes, Prajwal. Then Arfan. Henry? You got all correct? Okay.
I'm Shivadyan.
Shivadyan. Okay, so children, if you got any mistakes, please see where you got mistake. What about Sanahin? Sanahin?
Ma'am,
He cannot hear me.
The
Sanahin, can you hear me?
ma'am,
Yes, Henry.
the mark is in 8.
Out of 8.
Ma'am, I got 8 out of 8.
Okay, very good. So children, question number 1. What you have to do, right? You have to find out 2 equivalent fractions. So the given fraction is 2 by 6. You can multiply with 2 or 3 or 4, any number. Second one, identify the like fractions. What is like fractions? The denominator same.
No, 9.
Convert
I got 9 out of
fraction, improper fraction, then add and subtract. So children, we will do one more question. So who got mistakes?
10.
Can you raise your hand? How many children got mistakes?
One mistake only. That is
One mistake. Did you understand the mistake? What was the problem, Adinada? Which
equivalent fractions.
Equivalent fraction. How you can find out equivalent fraction? By multiply with any number, or if you are able to divide. Okay, Diya. So those who got mistakes, what you have to do? Understand your mistakes and don't repeat that mistake again. Okay, now next question. Question number. Next question. Yes, children. Identify or list proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Sanahin finished. We are doing another question now. Write it there in the rough book. And mixed fractions. So these are the fractions I'm giving. You have to identify which all fractions are improper, proper, and mixed. So children, write it faster. List the proper, improper and mixed fractions from the following. So children, you can write a short form in the answer. So we can complete faster. For proper children, we can write P.
PF, proper fraction.
PF. Or you can simply write P and mixed fraction M. Then we can write for improper IM. Then write it faster. To identify, children, you have to know which is proper, mixed and improper.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. We will wait 2 minutes. So children, this is 3-mark question. For proper, 1 mark, improper, 1 mark, mixed fractions, 1 mark. So this is out it is out of 3 marks, this question. John, finish writing? John?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, Jaswin, can you tell me the answer of proper fraction? Can you tell me the answer proper? Which fraction is proper?
Can I tell?
Wait. Yes, Jaswin. Proper fraction.
Again, tell.
We have here 1, 7 and 2 by 3. Another one 9 by 3. Another one 18 and 1 by 3. Then we have 2 by 16. From here, which is the proper fraction?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? Prajwal.
Wait, Prajwal.
Ma'am,
Jaswin?
2
2 by 16. Very good. 2 by 16. So children, what is proper fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, numerator is less than the denominator. Very good. So children, mixed fraction, I think that is very easy. You can see one proper fraction and one whole number. So what is the mixed fractions? Mixed fractions, children? 7 and 2 by 3.
18, 1 by 3.
18 and 1 by 3. Very good. 18 and 1 by 3. So we have 2 mixed fraction. Now, which is the improper? That is, now we have only one that is left. That is 9 by 3. So improper means numerator is greater. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Proper means what? Numerator is less than the denominator. Mixed fraction, that is very easy. You can see one whole number and one proper fraction. So let me see how many got this 3 out of 3. Yes, children? Yes, Maria. Yes. Arfan. I can see. What about Sanahin? Sanahin?
You can share the board once more.
I will share the board.
Ma'am, what is 70 question? How much mark?
3 marks. 3 out of 3.
Ma'am, I got.
If your proper fraction is correct, 1 mark. If your mixed fraction is correct, another 1 mark. And if your improper fraction is correct, 1 mark. So we have total 3 marks.
Ma'am, I got full.
Full.
Ma'am, I also got full.
Okay. So children, so we were doing revision of chapter 8 and 9, revision test. Please continue study. Those who got any mistakes, what you have to do? You have to revise or practice more questions. So children, tomorrow I will give you decimals 1 Google form test. Can you do Google form?
Yes.
Okay. So study well today, decimals, and Monday we will revise chapter money.
Yes, ma'am.
How to convert money, that paise to rupees and rupees to paise. Okay. So tomorrow, what do you have to do? Decimal multiple choice questions. That will be in the Google form. Yes. Okay, children. So today revise decimal chapter again. That we have finished revision. Revise one more time, and tomorrow I will send you the link for MCQ, multiple choice questions for chapter 10 decimals. And Monday, children, we will revise the last chapter, that is money. Okay, children. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.